Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to appear offline in Facebook. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is log into our Facebook application and then press the profile picture that appears in the top right corner of our screen. Just below it there is a gear icon which we will also press. Now we will see a screen with a bunch of options. Scroll down to the bottom until we find the active status option and press it. Now you should see the option show when you are active is on. Just press it to turn it off. This way you will no longer appear online on Facebook. Note that you won't be able to see who of your contacts are online either. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in the next Tech Solutions video.